Rules for pronunciation of some letters. B is sometimes not pronounced, it is silent, as in lamb. C is pronounced as S if it is followed by E, I, and Y. Whether it is at the beginning of the word or in the middle, such as nice, center. It is pronounced as if it is followed by any other letter except H, such as cycle, cat, crime. If it is double, CC, the first is pronounced as Q and the second is pronounced according to the previous rules, such as accept, accuse. If it comes after H, CH is pronounced like chalk. It is pronounced like chemistry. It is pronounced like machine. Sometimes it is pronounced as ocean. Sometimes it is not pronounced and is silent, such as muscles. G in general, it is pronounced as in gold, but it is pronounced as J if it comes after it EI, Y, such as edge, Egyptian. However, if it is followed by TH or N at the end of the word, it will be silent, not pronounced, such as sign, length. If it comes after H, it is pronounced like enough, or not pronounced like straight. H is sometimes not pronounced as an hour, honest. K is not pronounced if it is followed by N at the beginning of the word, such as knife. L is not pronounced in some words that contain the combinations alk, alf, and uld, such as chalk half, could. N is not pronounced if it comes after M, like column. P is sometimes not pronounced as in psychology. If it comes after H, it is pronounced as phosphor. S is pronounced if it comes between two vowels, such as rose, disease. But an exception to this rule is dis when it comes at the beginning of a word such as disappear. Sometimes J is pronounced like usually. Sometimes it is pronounced SH, like sugar, especially if it is followed by H, like fish. Sometimes it is not pronounced as an island. T is pronounced SH if it is followed by ion, such as action. Sometimes it is pronounced CH like nature. Sometimes it is not pronounced as often and listen. If it comes after H, it is pronounced TH or DHA like mouth and father. W is not pronounced if it comes at the beginning of the word and is followed by R or H, such as right, who. X is pronounced as if it is followed by a vowel, such as exactly.